Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you are new, you are welcome, and if you have been a regular person here, you are also welcome. And consider subscribing on your way out and keep watching because you are gonna love this video. Alright guys, still on the Harmattan season where there's so much cold and most times you're just coughing. You know, I promised you that this channel was gonna be all around fabulosity, and I'm going to keep to that promise because I don't do promise and fail. So today I'm gonna show you how to fight cold, not just with a sweater, not just with this scarf I'm covering right now. It's not a physical fight, but it's a fight that will help you, and it's also a fight that will not embarrass you in public. So today I'm gonna share with you what to do if that regular visitor that comes visiting every cold season comes with that cough, that dry cough, that catarrh, that cold. I am talking about shea butter. Shea butter is so medicinal. Shea butter is very medicinal as it has antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral as well as anti-inflammatory properties to use cure persistent cough, catarrh, runny nose, etc. And here I have with me my salts. Salt and shea butter will do a very wonderful job. So I'm gonna go dissolve my shea butter on fire like I always do because I'm not the one that processed it, so I have to dissolve it on fire first to get rid of every other unwanted, unfiltered particles that I may not need. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've finished dissolving my shea butter. As you can see, like I told you, there are a couple of particles inside, and also most times while they were processing it, maybe they didn't allow water to dry properly. So when it's on fire like that, you see how it will be bubbling. You notice that it still has a little bit of water, so carefully remove the particles. Alright guys, so here is my shea butter. I dissolved it like I told you, and here's also my salt. So guys, this is just what you would do. You just take your shea butter, a pinch of salt. Remember, salt is not good for the body, so pinch of salt. Since the shea butter is still warm, so it's gonna melt the salt. Then you just drink it. So you can drink this in the morning, you can drink this in the afternoon, you can drink this at night. Alright beautiful people, so that will be all on today's video. Stay beautiful, be fabulous, all around fabulosity. Do not take care of your face, your hair, your nails and all of that. Going to an occasion coughing. I've just showed you the simple homemade recipe to just take care of that embarrassing situation, okay? I'm also suffering, like I'm also feeling cold, but cough will not embarrass me this time. Bye.